Now let's see how to find the value of the dictionaries using the for loop. In this session we will try for loop to find the value of the dictionary. Example number 14, where I have d equals to a colons 2 comma b colons 4 comma c colons 6. For key in d, take the point of key, it will return this output. As I told you, I'm using for loop to find the value of the dictionary. Look at here, I give the name d to this dictionary. This information from here up to here has been saved with the name d in the computer memory. If you want to access this information, you need to call simply d here. You don't need to put everything here, everything from here up to here. You don't need to put them here. Just simply take d and put it there. This d stands for this whole information. Now I'm using the for loop this time for key in d, which means that try the for loop for the key only in d. What is d? D is this whole dictionary. Now when you take the point of key, you will get the drop down of the keys in the output. This is the drop down of the keys in the output. All the keys are there. Now look what for loop does. For loop iterates over each steps. First it iterates over the first pair, where it picks the key and put it here in the output. Then it iterates for the second pair, pick the key and put it here in the output. Then it iterates for the third pair, pick the key and put it here in the output. So for loop iterates for the keys only in dictionary D. Therefore you will see only keys in the output. This will be the output. That's how we can find the key using the for loop.